Hello everybody and welcome to the Python tutorial series. In this video we will talk about how you can install and publish the Python packages with the Python package index, that is the by using the pip command. So if you don't know about the pip command, let me explain you. So the Python package index is the software which is used for the Python programming language. So in Windows you can run your you can install your packages and module using the pip command. So this tutorial is only for the Windows users who are currently using the Windows. In this tutorial, we will explaining you how you can use pip install. Okay, so the first thing you need to check is the Python version. So you need to install Python, and in my system we have Python 3.7.7, and let's just check it by using print one. We got our output, and that is one. Okay, and let's check for our more commands like print hello world and hello, and we got this, and using exit to exit our terminal. Okay, how you can install pip command? So we need to install pip. So pip is coming by default with the Python version, so you need to install Python 3 or Python 2, and we can use pip // version to check the pip version. So pip 20.2.1, and that is the latest version. Okay, and now how you can install the Python packages using pip. Okay, so for that we need to do is to going to the Python package index, that is their official website, and searching for projects. Let's say we want to search for matplotlib. How you can install matplotlib in CMDs? So when clicking on this matplotlib 3.3.0, we got pip install matplotlib, and we need to do is to use this command same. So pip install matplotlib. When clicking enter, I've already installed in my system, that's why I got requirements already satisfied. If you have not installed, it will downloading. And let's say more packages like pip install pipe install, and it's already installed, so requirements already satisfied. What about if we want to uninstall a package like the PyInstaller? So we can use pip install PyInstaller, and it's already now it's successfully uninstalled. Okay, so PyInstaller now is installed from my system. What about if we want to there is another method to use our command, so that is the python /m pip install PyInstaller. So this is the second way to use our command. So python /m and then pip install and then your module. So by this you can install your packages also. So there is a condition that your modules and Python package must be in the same directory. Okay, and now successfully installed PyInstaller. And when we click on this PyInstaller, we don't get any error. That means PyInstaller is successfully installed in my system. By this you can check. And more commands like pip install pandas for installing the pandas, that is the data science library, and pygame I've already installed, so pip install pygame, no errors. And more commands like python /m pip install numpy. Numpy is already installed. Let's talk about how you can install the latest version of pip. So we can use pip install pip install underscore upgrade pip. Okay, requirements already up to date. I have the latest version of pip, and that is the 20.2.1. And what about if we want to use the version that is 20.2, which is already not big, and we get error, could not find a version. Let me zoom this. Okay, so these are some of the pip version which you can check by using this command. So pip install pip, let's say we want to install 19.2.1, and that is version, and as you can see this will download. So by this way you can download any package, module, and APIs. Okay, so by this way 20.2.1 pip is uninstalled, and 19.2.1 is okay. And what about if we want to use the latest version? So we can use pip is equal to 20.2.1, and now the 20.2.1 is successfully installed, and we can check by the pip // version, and as you can see we got 20.2.1 in our output. So by this way you can check your pip version and all of these stuffs. And more like pip install matplotlib, and it's already installed, requirements are already there. And how you can check that if it's installed or not, so we can use import matplotlib in the Python, and no errors, that means it is successfully installed in my system. Okay, in the next video we will talk about our more Python packages and all of this tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel for Python, JavaScript and machine learning videos. Otherwise, thanks for watching this tutorial. We'll meet you in the next tutorial. In the next tutorial we'll talk about more our Python basic concepts. So wait for the next tutorial and stay ahead and stay tuned.